Do you want to expand your vocabulary? Do you want to improve your vocabulary? Do you want to improve your writing, reading, listening and speaking by using some new word, by using those words in an appropriate place? Then you are on the right place. By using this technique, you will grow your vocabulary 10 times faster than any other technique that still exists on planet Earth. This is my promise. I did it because I am not just give those ideas to my student. First I pick some methods I use by myself. Then I experiment on certain group of students. Then I take their feedback. Then I make a particular framework for that idea, that method. Then I give it to my student again to use it because it's a research based. Not only mine but also other people. Welcome. Good morning. My name is Abhi Singh and welcome in SLV show. Today I am going to talk about the vocabulary. So first you need to know of the nature of vocabulary. There is a two kind of vocabulary. First is called the production level of vocabulary. The second is called the recognition level of vocabulary. Production level of vocabulary means which vocabulary we are using in our writing and in our speaking. That is called the production level of vocabulary. It's also known as the active vocabulary. The passive vocabulary is simply which vocabulary we understand while we are reading or while we are listening. It also called the passive vocabulary. But which technique I am going to share with you, this will improve your active vocabulary as well as the passive vocabulary also. So first let me ask you a simple question. In your school, in your institute, wherever you taking classes, what we are doing there, first we pick up one word, then write its meaning in our native language. The word is English, but we write meaning in Punjabi. Then we are cramming it. After a few days, we take a test and get average band score or average score. What will happen after that? You will forget every word. You will not remember anything that is happening. These are the old methods. But which method I'm gonna suggest you, which method I'm gonna teach you, that is a much better. This technique called the MFRO. What you need to do in this technique, first pick up one word. That word could come from anywhere, in your reading, in your book, on the TV, on YouTube, on Facebook, on social media, anywhere you find a new word which you don't know. And I will warn you, don't use this technique for the every word. Use this technique for the word which you frequently encounter. So pick a word, write its name. First write its name of the word, then the meaning of the word, but in English, not in Punjabi. If you are a beginner level, if you are intermediate level, so you can write its meaning in Punjabi, but also in English. After that, write a whole line. The full line where that word comes from. After that, make an example by using that word. Now you understand the meaning of that word. So make an example by yourself. Okay. After that, go to the next point. This is the first, that M stand for the main word. Then F, the family word. What is the family word? It's the simple technique. After that, write the family word means you are using word prosper. Prosper means to achieve something. This is the meaning of that word. To become stronger, to flourish something, to be fortunate or doing something well, to getting healthy. That is the meaning of prosper word. First you write a prosper, then the meaning, then the line where that word comes from. Now let me tell you where that word comes from. This word comes from the one lesson, which is a movie lesson in SLV. I would like to speak this line also. In this line means the law of the jungle, as old as true as the sky. The wolf that keep it will prosper, that the wolf break it will be die. This is the simply meaning that the wolf, if he keep it, that he will prosper, he will become stronger, he will grow, he will be too fortunate. This is the main word, meaning, full line, and also your example. In order to improve yourself, in order to prosper your ability in English, you need to work smart. Not hard, work smart. Then go to the next level, the family word. Family words mean you are using the same word with the different form. Like you are using the same word like a prosper, and there you are using this word prosperity, prosperous. So I will give you another example. Like here is a one word like a hope. Hope, hoped, hopes, hoping, hopeless, hopeful, hopelessly, hopefully. This is a one word, but these are the other form of the same word. This is called the family word. Has a similar meaning, but form is a different. Sometimes you use it as a noun, sometimes you use it as an adjective, sometimes you use it as a adverb and other form. Go to the next level, that is called the relative word. In the relative words, you will find some word has the same meaning, but the words are different. Like flourish, develop, thrive, bloom, expand, spread, progress, or advance. These are the words which are the relative words. Means these words also have the same meaning like prosper. Now go to the next level. This is called the opposite word. Opposite word means fail, unsuccessful, losing, poor, unprosperous. Simple. This is a simple technique, yet is a very powerful. What you need to do, pick a one word, main idea, family word, relative words, opposite idea. And also, if you have some time, you can make an example by using the family word. Then you will be able to rephrase. If you are an IELTS student and you are watching this, the rephrasing is very important in order to get the good band score in your writing. If you know how to play with the words, then you will get the good band score and you will impress the examiner. Examiner will come to know that you are expert of English language and you have a rich vocabulary. That's why you are expressing your meaning the better way than the other majority of students, because they are just cramming the one word meaning in native language, then cramming, after that forget everything. Change the way of doing something, you will get the different result. And this is my promise. When you go through this technique every day, this is a simple action plan for you. Pick only 3 words. If you have more time, you can pick a 5 word, write its word, go through that technique, then you will be able to use those words effortlessly. This is a powerful technique. Now share it with your friend, share it to everybody, share it to every person who want to improve their English, who want to speak like a native speaker. Share this technique. And also, if you have any question, you can ask me. Here is my number, and best of luck for your learning. My best wishes always with you. Thank you and goodbye.